Morning, guys. April 13th, 2017. This job I got a call from a guy with an oil burner. He says the thing's making a lot of noise and the smoke pipe is vibrating. So it starts off smooth and then it starts running a little bit and it starts vibrating and the smoke pipe starts shaking and making all kinds of noise. So I'm thinking it's either a motor that's bad or a motor to pump coupling or something like that. So we're gonna go by there and see what's going on. The baby dog is working again, y'all. Are you working again? Are you a proud master HVAC technician? Oh man, oh yeah. Oh, I know you're a proud master. Yeah, you're a proud master.
Only tripped out. It was supposed to be like yesterday.
Alright, let's turn it on. Let's see what it is. I want to hear it. That clicking noise there?
Yeah, but it was a lot louder than that. It's getting faster.
Yeah, it sounds like it might be a loose fan or something.
Yeah.
A loose fan blade or maybe a coupler or something.
That's what I figured. Then it started vibrating.
Oh yeah, look at that shit, huh? Boy, that's odd. Oh yeah, she's starting to shake, huh?
Yeah.
Now how come you took this off? This
that's been like that for years. I don't know.
That's for the power venter. You got a power venter? No, you know.
No, we put the chimney.
Oh, you had a power venter.
Yep.
All right, let's take it apart and see. I think it's that coupling that's bad. Because this is an odd thing to happen. That noise.
Yeah.
I bet you it's that coupler that's bad. We're gonna see right now.
Yeah, connector on there.
I bet you.
That's what I was saying. It was almost
Either
like
that or the fan blade.
Yeah.
You know, the fan blade's loose in there. I'll be able to tell when we pull the motor out.
Right.
Yeah, so it's starting to become nice weather. About time.
Yeah, the chickens, I guess they're a lot of work. I mean,
Oh yeah, a lot of work because I gotta clean the coops and feed them, and I give them a lot of extra stuff, you know.
yeah.
But you gotta give them water every day and go out there and make sure that they got food. And I've been going around and digging up weeds, throwing them in there, and they devour the weeds. Any kind of weeds or grass, they go for that shit, you know.
Yeah, you don't let them free range, right? They stay in the cage.
No, I don't, because I got chicken hawks around and
yeah.
you know, coyotes and stuff like that, wild animals, and they'll take them out.
Sure. See it, man. I don't know if you can see it.
That's what it is. Stripped. See it?
Yeah. Yeah.
See it stripped?
Yeah. Stripped away.
That's what it is. Flipping things right there. See it?
Yep.
It's supposed to have the grooves the whole way. There's our problem.
It's a plastic piece on the top? That's all it is?
See, it's got the grooves?
Yeah.
Them grooves should be the whole way.
Yeah.
So I just got to change that.
Sweet.
That's no big deal.
Yeah, because it was running good. I mean, it's... I wonder if that was the problem originally when I called. Remember after you cleaned it?
I don't know, because I thought you hit the reset and then if it started...
Yeah, it was fine.
So now we let it go and then it shows up again. See what I'm saying?
Yeah. Right, exactly. Crazy.
Okay.
Yeah.
that's what it was. As soon as I figured that's what it was.
So those things probably don't let go too often. Huh?
No, they don't. They usually last a while.
Well, this thing's pretty old already.
Yeah, we'll put a new one in there, and you know, we'll let it go. So I don't get too worried about stuff like that. I just fix what I need to fix and
Sure.
keep it going for the people.
That's all we want.
All right.
Keep it running. The worst thing about this is there's no hot water either. Because we don't have a tank.
Right.
So when we lose
Well,
this,
you called me. I came right here. Luckily, I wasn't
it was
crazy
great.
busy. Crazy busy today, so. Something's sitting out right here. I think I have it in there right. There it is. That's better. There it is.
that'd be just perfect, huh?
It's gotta fit in there just right, or
Oops.
we don't want any problems. You gonna get chickens?
I want to.
They're
Yeah.
a lot of fun. You know, I like the eggs, you know?
Oh yeah, that's the best thing.
Bitch, what the hell was that? That keeps hitting like that. I might have to move that fan blade in a little bit.
Yeah.
It's hitting the shroud.
Uh,
Weird.
yeah, I figured I'd just start off with a few though, you know? Maybe get like a little dog kennel like I had.
Yeah, that's all you need. You know,
crazy.
if you had, say you had 4 chickens, that'd give you plenty of eggs.
Yeah.
You know, you don't have to go crazy like I did.
How many you got now?
Too many. I don't know why that thing's rubbing on me, but I gotta move that fan blade down a little bit, I think. Got too many. I gotta get rid of some.
Oh yeah.
Well, I got some old ones I want to get rid of, so I got some younger ones coming up, type of thing, you know.
Yeah.
And once they start laying eggs, I'll get rid of the older ladies. Kind of rotate through them if I can, you know. And
Sure, yeah. They usually lay for a few years though, right?
oh yeah. Wow. I don't know if I can even get that off of there. I don't know why it's hitting. Yes. Just want to get that in a little closer. And it won't rub.
I was gonna say maybe it loosened up, but it don't look like it.
Don't look like it.
That thing was on it.
Yeah, like right now they're drinking a lot of water.
Yeah.
It's not rubbing anymore. They're drinking like I got two 5-gallon containers in the runs each run now because they're drinking so much water because it's getting hot out.
Right.
I was really surprised. Now I know this old guy that I bought a bunch of stuff off. He was an old chicken farmer guy. He had a bunch of them. And if I got any questions, I call him. He tells me, you know, what's going on, and he had a ton of them. All right, let's try it now. It wore right out.
Yeah, that's a good one for you too.
Oh yeah.
Something people haven't seen.
You know what I do with them screws? You kick them. You kick
them. I did. Sorry.
All I need is one. I put them on there on the floor, and you're over there walking around.
Over the line.
As long as I got one, it ain't gonna pop. Well, here it is.
They didn't let go like it was last month freezing.
So you see that right there? That's the problem. See it?
It's crazy. So it's just 2 plastic pots in there.
That's all it is. It's pressed in there. See it?
Yeah. It's crazy.
Obviously, your tankless is leaking a little bit. That's without. Once it heats up, it probably won't leak no more.
Yeah, it's usually dry when it's running all the time.
That sounds a lot better.
That's great.
Alright, that's it. Just get a tag and we'll be done. I was just here under the cleaning a couple of months ago.
Yeah.
Alright guys, here's the motor to pump coupling. You can see it, but that end's stripped right out. You see it? Oops. Should have grooves in it all the way to the end. And the grooves, you know, carry in this. The grooves fetch on this, but the grooves, you can see they're stripped right out. Here's the other end. That's what it should look like the whole way. It's stripped right out. Usually, so I've seen them crack, you know, blow apart, but for that to happen like that, it's kind of odd. The thing was vibrating like crazy. It started out okay, and then it started vibrating. This is going to be a call for heat right here. The high limit is going to be calling. Pre-ignition, 3 seconds. Delayed oil valve. 15 seconds for delay oil valve. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ignition. Houston, we have ignition.